Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add texture to 3D object in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software. Now we open the 3D object. Go to the file menu, click this open in place option and select the object. Now we can see here a monitor to a 3D object. Click this open option. Now I am move the object top on the background layer. Then select the object and go to the texture page. Now press Ctrl A to select the texture background and move the main page. Then resize the texture background. Then click the check mark option and click right button the layer and choose this clipping mask option. Now we can see we add a texture to 3D object very easily. You can resize this easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.